Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk bwkhwk tai lamsogo ani o channel faidi chengtini nalinei Directorate of Employment Services and Manpower Planning ni hoite kaisa ketal notification faimani faidi cheng abo naleno obongkha notification norok nugimano Government of Tripura District Employment Exchange West Tripura Model Career Center Agartala Noroka Nugumano Expression of Interest Faculties recruited for imparting 15 days 30 classes on vocational guidance soft skills spoken English etc. to 30 candidates at the office of the Model Career Center Agartala under the Directorate of Employment Services and Manpower Planning, Government of Tripura, from 15 September 2021 to 4th October 2021. Honorarium for faculty is Rs 100 per class of 2 hours. Subject to be tough and required qualification for the faculties are takhwk bwkhwk borok faculties nangai tongo 15 days in bagai obongkha 30 class nai ta nugimano obongkha vocational guidance in bagai like soft skills spoken English etc. norok ma phungnai to 30 candidates tai obo under Model Career Center Agartala ni hoite phungjang nai Directorate of Employment Services and Manpower Planning, Government of Tripura tai jora rizaka 15 September 2021 isimi 4th October 2021 tai oboni bagai nongno honorarium rizangnai 1000 per class ke tai norok 2 hours class ma khainai tai nugimano ojaga subject ni mung tai qualification nangnai oboni bagai pulano tongo subject spoken English and English language grammar sentence correction everyday communication norok o subject ma phungnai tai oboni bagai qualification nangnai graduation haike post graduation with English honors with minimum 2 years teaching experience in the subject tai obo number of classes sangkha 5 aboni pore next subject ni mongongkha communication skills effective communication letter writing CV writing group discussion interview skill omo norok ma phungnai oboni bagai qualification nangnai graduation haike post graduation with English honors with minimum 2 years teaching experience in a subject tai oboni bagai bo number of classes 5 next subject ni mungongkha personality development nogimano leadership stress management motivation etc tai oboni bagai qualification nangnai graduate with minimum 2 years teaching experience in their personality development tai oboni bagai number of classes bo 5 no next subject ni mongkha competitive exam general science quantitative aptitude reasoning GK environment tai ICT oboni bagai qualification nangnai graduate with minimum 2 years teaching experience in the subjects mentioned tai oboni bagai number of classes sangkha 10 last subject ni mongokha career skills nugimano soft skill that industry demands corporate equities effective email corporate telephonic etiquette etc tai oboni bagai qualification nangnai master in psychology or MBA in HR tai oboni bagai number of classes sangkha 5 norok nugimano jara interested resource person above 18 years old are requested to email their CV to this email ID last date for submission of CV is 9th September 2021 the details time and schedule for the classes can be checked at the website takhwk bwkhwk jara oboni bagai interest tonero boni age nangnai above 18 years noni CV boni o email address of particular hodi email address sangkha cmdesmp.phagt-tr@gov.in tai oboni bagai last date engka 9 September 2021 tai norok jodi time tai schedule nainamo chunghangkai class ni bagai norok o website or thangai check khaidi website ni address engka www.employment.tripura.gov.in takhwk te bwkhwk song oboni bagai to ashik no